Evaluation of postfix expression. Here we are going to discuss the topic about evaluation of postfix expression. That is, we are going to evaluate a postfix expression and find out the answer for that expression. Now, in case of evaluating the postfix expression, we have to follow certain rules. Now the rules are here. Here we are having three rules which will be followed while evaluating the postfix expression. Now the first rule. The first rule is, suppose the character in an expression is an operand, we have to just push the character into the stack. And the second rule. If the character in the expression is a operator, we have to pop topmost two operand from the stack and a certain operations will be made and the result will be pushed back into the stack. And then the third rule. After reading all the characters from the expression, now the stack will having the operand which will be the result of the expression. Now we will see one example for this evaluation of postfix expression. Here there is a postfix expression 234 star plus. Now in this postfix expression, here we are going to evaluate this postfix expression and find out the answer for this expression. Now the character 2 will be read by the compiler. Suppose if the character is a operand, it will be just pushed into the stack. So the 2 will be pushed into the stack. And again, next the character is 3. Now the 3 will be read by the compiler. So the 3 will be pushed into the stack. Since 3 is a operand, it is just pushed into the stack. Already the stack is having the operand 2. Now 3 is inserted. Next the character is 4. Now 4 will be read by the compiler. Now the stack is already having 3 and 2 as operands and now the operand 4 will be inserted into the stack since it is an operand. Next, here the operator will be read by the compiler. Here the operator is a star operator. In case of operator, we have to pop topmost two operand from the stack and made some operation and the result will be pushed back into the stack. So here the topmost two operand means 4 and 3. So the first popped out 4 will be placed in second position and the second popped out operand will be placed in first position and the operation means here since the operator is a star operator, so the star operator is placed in between these operands and the multiplication operation is performed. So 3 into 4, 12. So this result 12 will be pushed back into the stack. After that the operator plus will be read by the compiler. So in case of operator, we have to pop topmost two operand from the stack and make some operation and the result will be pushed back into the stack. Here in case of plus operator, the topmost two operand means 12 and 2. So the 12 will be popped out first and placed in the second position and 2 will be popped out again and placed in the first position, and here since the operator is a plus, the plus is placed in between the two operands and the addition operation is performed and the result 14 will be pushed back into the stack. Finally the third rule. The third rule is the operand which will present in the stack will be the result of the expression. So the result of the expression is 14.